As you may know already, one of the big advantages of advanced steel is that it will allow us to quickly define complex structural elements that would be otherwise quite time-consuming if we were to generate them directly through AutoCAD tools. For example, here we can observe a structural model that has been fully generated using advanced steel modeling tools, along with its parametric capabilities. Despite the relative complexity of this model, we can very easily modify the properties of individual elements, such as changing the tread size for any of these stair groups. However, when working with multiple geometries, it becomes especially important that design changes can be applied consistently and as efficiently as possible throughout the entire model. And while it is true that modifications can be carried out quite easily for a single component, this process can quickly become more challenging when multiple instances of the same component need to be updated. For instance, let's say that we need to change the tread dimensions for this group of stairs. To do this, we can start by opening the Advanced Properties panel for the first stair and applying the required changes. Now, instead of repeating this process manually for each remaining component, we can simply go to the Extended Modeling tab and select the Transfer Properties tool. With this tool active, we first select the component or group of components whose properties we want to update so that they match the one we've already modified. Finally, we select the source component from which the properties will be copied. At this point, it's worth mentioning that this operation transfers only the component's features and not its overall dimensions. This means that parameters such as span and depth will not be altered for the selected components. As we can see, all these elements now share the same tread size and even the same tread type if that had been modified as well. The Transfer Properties tool can be used not only with stairs, but also with railings, and in fact, with most complex connections throughout the model. And worth noting that whatever change we perform will also affect any of the detail drawings automatically generated by Advanced Steel, meaning that these will also get updated along with our model. That said, this tool does not apply to simpler elements such as beams and columns. Fortunately, those elements can still be quickly adjusted using the Match Properties command. This approach allows us to keep our models consistent, efficient, and easy to update as design changes occur. If you'd like to learn more about advanced steel and how to create complex steel structures and industrial models with ease, don't forget to visit our website, where we offer multiple training courses focused on real-world workflows and professional detailing practices. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of advanced steel.